We're in the U.S. Virgin Islands, preparing to see St. Croix from a whole new perspective.
You guys ready to do some diving?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
We're heading out to one of the Caribbean's best-kept secrets.
It's called the Salt River Canyon, a 1,000-foot deep ravine underwater. How many great white sharks can we expect to see?
Well, we put the memo in this morning. We didn't get as much of a response as we were hoping.
While diving along the canyon wall, Beth and her team regularly see blacktips and nurse sharks. Blacktip sharks are fast and energetic predators and are known to leap out of the water. Usually, they avoid humans.
We're more worried about what's opposite the canyon wall. The abyss.
So when you say the abyss, what does that mean?
That means thousands of feet of water. The wall drops off anywhere between about 40 to 60 feet, depends on where you are, and that edge just kind of disappears straight down.
The walls of this gorge were formed thousands of years ago by a rushing waterfall that cut into the rock, creating a dramatic underwater landscape.
I've got a little bit of a fear of open ocean. As we get closer to getting in the water, I'm just thinking about everything. This is a daunting dive for me. We're dealing with a 1,000-foot trench and sharks.
And we're also going to be going 80 feet down, which is deeper than we've ever dove before. 30 feet has been the deepest we've gone until now. You can see just miles of blue.
As soon as I start to descend, I feel calm.
But we still need to get down to about 60 feet to see the wall. Thousands of feet of open ocean separate the walls of the canyon, and this is the side known for the most dramatic drop-off, into the abyss. For us, it's terrifying and exhilarating at the same time.
So we descend down to about 30 feet, and we're swimming out on the coral. And then all of a sudden, you see it just stop. And it turns to black. We are headed out over the wall into open water. It feels like we're in outer space. You're floating and you can't see the bottom. And we keep going down and down. Then I check my gauge and we are at 87 feet. That's 87 feet below the surface, hovering over a massive canyon.
We've got the abyss on one side and the coral-encrusted wall on the other.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come.